Hi everyone, welcome back to SA Autos, and today we're diving straight into one of the most extreme machines Porsche has ever created. The 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo GT. If you think you know what a fast 911 feels like, this model is here to completely reset your expectations. Porsche has taken the legendary turbo DNA, mixed it with GT-level aggression, and created a car that feels like a street-legal missile. The first thing you notice when you look at the 2026 Turbo GT is the attitude. It's wider, sharper, and way more muscular than a standard Turbo S. Porsche hasn't just added aero for style. Everything has been wind tunnel sculpted for maximum downforce and minimum drag. The front bumper sits lower with massive air channels. The side profile has a stronger shoulder line, and the rear wing is larger and more active than before, adjusting itself automatically to give stability at insane speeds. This car looks like it's ready to hunt supercars in broad daylight. Now let's talk performance, because that's where the 911 Turbo GT becomes a beast. Under the rear decklid sits a heavily tuned 3.8-liter twin-turbo, flat-six that produces a mind-bending power figure. Porsche has pushed the limits with upgraded turbochargers, a stronger intercooler system, improved cooling, and a sharper ECU tune. The result is instant response, brutal acceleration, and a top speed that pushes the boundaries of what's possible on road-legal tires. The Turbo GT rockets from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds, putting it in the same league as hypercars while still keeping the classic 911 practicality. Porsche's legendary PDK transmission shifts with lightning precision, and the all-wheel drive system keeps the car glued to the asphalt. No matter how aggressively you launch it. Inside, Porsche gives you the perfect balance of luxury and motorsport feel. The cabin is wrapped in Alcantara and leather, with lightweight carbon fiber everywhere you look. The steering wheel feels like something taken straight from a GT race car, and the seats are engineered to hold you in place even during extreme cornering. At the same time, the 911 Turbo GT doesn't forget its turbo roots, so you still get high-end tech, a sharp infotainment system, and daily drive comfort. Porsche continues to prove that no one mixes performance and refinement better than they do. The handling is where the Turbo GT becomes truly addictive. Porsche has equipped it with an advanced adaptive suspension system, improved rear axle steering, and a performance-tuned chassis that reads the road like it's alive. Whether you're blasting down a straight highway or carving through tight mountain bends, the car feels like it's anticipating your every move. The grip is unbelievable, the steering response is razor sharp, and the whole car encourages you to push harder with complete confidence. This isn't just a fast 911. It's a precision instrument designed for serious drivers. What makes the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo GT even more impressive is how usable it remains. Despite being an absolute monster on the track, it stays comfortable enough for everyday driving. You can cruise in full luxury mode, then with one push of a button, unleash its full racing personality. That dual nature is exactly what makes the Turbo GT so special. It's the kind of car that lets you enjoy slow city traffic and then dominate a high-speed run without breaking a sweat. In the end, the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo GT stands as a reminder that Porsche continues to raise the bar every single year. It's bold, powerful, beautifully engineered, and crafted for pure driving pleasure. If you're a fan of high-end performance cars, this machine is a dream come true. Thanks for watching SA Autos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more supercar content.